This video will show you how to override the allowed dates for taking a quiz or exam for a particular student, in case you want to allow the student to take it at a time different from the quiz settings. For example, the student might have missed a quiz for illness. To start, log into Moodle and go to the course page you want to edit. In the Activities menu on the right, click Quizzes. In the Name column, click the quiz name you want to override. Click the gear icon on the right and click User Overrides. Click the Add User Override button. You can search for a username in the Override User search box, or click the small arrow on the right side to see all the names and click the name of the user you want. The Require Password field is normally left blank. To change the dates and times for open the quiz and/or close the quiz settings, click the Enable checkbox and change the settings as needed for this user. If a time limit is desired, click the Enable checkbox and set the amount of time you want. See the Help icon on the left for more details. Adjust the attempts allowed number as desired. Click Save, or save and enter another override if you need to override settings for another student. Upon saving, you will see the list of overrides. You can use the trash can icon on the right to make deletions, or the gear icon to adjust the override settings again. Click the Add User Override button if you need to add another one. Here's something important to remember. If after you set an override for a student, you go back later and change the date and time for the entire class, the overall date and time, then the student's override is still there, and that time restriction is still with that student unless you go and remove it. That's how you make date and time quiz overrides for students. Thank you.